I just landed in Lagos airport and I'm actually curious. Has anything changed here? Or is it still the same since the last time I passed through this airport? Well, let's take a look. So guys, we just landed. Welcome to MMA Airport, by the way. This is the Murtala Muhammed Airport, the domestic terminal, and it is said to be one of the busiest in the city of Lagos. So if you're flying locally in Nigeria, you'll probably have passed here before. And I've been here several times. I even made a video about this airport, but then I'm trying to see it differently this time because I want to know what exactly has changed. Is there any current change taking place? Is there any new thing? Or what does this airport actually looks like today in 2026? Let's find out. Now, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, you're highly welcome. My name is Faith Opera. I am a Nigerian travel creator. I post videos about travel, real estate, and the beautiful parts of Africa, Nigeria, and the world at large. So you do want to stay subscribed because we are coming with a lot of content, especially this year. So yes, make sure you share this video to someone, like this video, and I'll see you soon. Now, I'm going to be sharing my honest impression, and I'll say first thing I'm noticing is that I'm noticing movement. Look around. Like, Lagos doesn't even give you time to adjust. You're just inside it immediately. Now, this is the part, this is where everybody is just, standing and hoping for the bags, and it's the baggage area. Because if your bag gets delayed, your mood has changed instantly. Like, immediately you just switch. But then when it comes, you're like, okay, now we are good. Okay guys, now let's walk out. And now that we're stepping out, I want us to take a look at the environment. What do you think? But personally, I would say this is Lagos. Yeah, the visuals just do the talking. So guys, I came in here to give you guys tea. I'm still trying to process what happened to me on that flight. Like, what happened? It's hurting me. I don't know. I'm supposed to let go, but I don't know why it's still hurting me. Anyways, if you actually want to know what happened, please check out my previous video. But I want you to give me a honest response. Do you think I over-exaggerated things? Do you think I let my emotions get the better part of me? Because I had so much expectation for trying out another airline that is said to be one of the most reliable in Nigeria, and it's said to be one of the first airlines that are running or flying in Nigeria. And what I experienced, I actually would not want to experience that ever again. I don't like the fact that I have to take all those precautionary measures and still end up in that kind of situation. Anyway, just tell me your honest thoughts about that trip. I shared everything you need to know about that flight, so go check it out. Okay, I'll put a link to the video above. But be honest though, be honest. Please. Okay, and be kind too with your words. What would you have done if you're the one in that situation? I just want to know. Yes, tell me in the comments. Now let's keep going. Anyways, there's always something happening here. That's one thing about Lagos. Like, nobody is even standing for no reason. Everybody's either going somewhere or coming from somewhere or looking for someone or waiting for someone. There's just something happening in this city, especially at this airport. Now, I'm not even going to hype it. I'm going to be very honest because this is my honest take that I'm going to give you guys here. This airport is actually not fancy, but it is not terrible either. It is just a very functional airport. Like, I like to say that airport is the face of every city. So I would say that it's quite different from Abuja Airport, because Abuja Airport feels calmer, because the city itself in general feels calmer, and Lagos on the other hand feels like, like I said, things are happening every second. So sometimes it could get chaotic. But so far so good. I think my experience here today has actually been smoother than I expected. Like, you know, I didn't really stress, but let's keep going because there are still some things like, even if you can get traffic in the city, you can still get it at Lagos airport. But yeah, let's keep going. And I think that part is a part that is going to be a major determinant, because I'm going to be booking an Uber and seeing how long it's going to take to come. And yeah, I think with Lagos, you don't expect perfection. You just want it to work and you just want to move. Everybody is just like, let's keep going, let's get going. Do you get? So yeah, this is what Lagos Airport looks like right now in 2026. So I want you to be honest. Yes. Would you choose Lagos Airport or Abuja Airport? Tell me, which one are you choosing? Or if you are non-Nigerian or not residing in Nigeria, whatever city you are residing in, whether in Africa or outside of Africa, tell me, how do you compare this particular airport with that of your country? And if you're wondering what Abuja Airport looks like, please check out my previous videos so you know. Okay? I'm currently at the car park, Lagos Airport MMA2, and Yeah, I think I'll have to take a cab. No, 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 no. I think I'll take a boat to the red line. Let's just say I just landed Lagos right now. I think it is 2 p.m. I just landed, and yes, we'll be seeing if we can meet up before my bus takes off, my international bus here, which is going to leave around 3 or 4-ish, which is crazy. See, you guys, can you see the traffic? I'm just trying to process. I'm trying to keep my cool, but no, it's not funny any longer. I've stayed here for almost 2 hours waiting for my boat or Uber to arrive, and you guys, I just had to surrender and accepted help from a stranger, or should I say, my co-traveler, that his ride finally came. I don't understand what is going on. This is inside the airport environment, so not outside of the airport, because I know that there's traffic in Lagos. But why does it have to start from the airport? Why? Like, it's just so crazy. Lagos people, please, you should tell me, how do you cope in this city? Because I don't get it. I don't think I can live in this city. I don't know. I never say never, but I don't think I can live in this city, because what manner of traffic is this? I have a trip to catch, and should I miss the time of the trip, this bus is going to leave me. Anyways, I'm giving you guys like a preamble to my next video, so you do want to stay tuned. But please, what level of traffic is this? Anyways, let me just show you guys the entrance to the airport. Yes, when you are going to be flying out, to out of Lagos, this is the entrance where you see this blue overhead, should I say banner? Yeah, that's the entrance to where you will get to buy your ticket, or the check-in counters where your luggage is before you go upstairs, and you walkway, and then you fly. Yeah, so this is the entrance. I gave a more in-depth tour of this airport in my last video, so I'm going to be tagging it. But guys, look at this traffic, even human traffic. Like, people are standing just because of the traffic. Just, can you even see how slow it is? Anyways, let me stop complaining before you all come for me. But yeah, if you got to this part of the video, make sure you like this video, make sure you share this video with someone who enjoy watching it, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Guys, guess what my next video will be about, or guess where we're traveling to next? I can't wait to share with you.